It began by falling in love. First time. When I was very young, taking a dance class and being in a total state of excitement. So this is why we have a body. I wanted to learn more. I loved being in the dance studios, the creaky wooden floors, the smell of chalk and sweat, and the dancers, the music, the silence. It was for me heaven. I had to figure out how I could dance all day and have it make sense. And those wonderful teachers I had, mostly older women with a keen devotion to the dance and all its elegance and glory and freedom. Their stories of their life on stage, intriguing, larger than life, ethereal bohemian ladies that inspired me to become who I am today. I studied their every move and correction, and it took over my senses completely. Dancing in the studios, dancing as I waitress in restaurants, dancing at home, practicing rhythms and steps and abandoned myself to it completely. Dancing. I was a dancer. Second time, when I met my one and only. We didn't even speak the same language, but we knew for sure. It took me by surprise, and my life was suddenly thrown up into the sky, and I wasn't sure just how it would land, but I was sure of my heart and just believed I had to go out on a limb. Finding myself in farm and forest, I tried to figure out how to hold on to this new life of joyfulness, this life of love. A leap away from the farm was Salzburg. In Salzburg, there were spaces for my love to build. He hammered and nailed and created the rooms that we all dance in for me, and then as it came to be for all of us. Third time, when I watched the great big spirit that emerged from the most humble dancer, tackling an impossible move that they mastered, the obvious pride and glory of being able to be vulnerable in front of complete strangers for the sake of art. Dancers dancing for each other, cooking in the cafeteria for the community, mopping down the floors, setting up the theater space with an air of such serious importance that I wouldn't dare to interfere. These people, these special creatures that twist, turn, jump, skim, slide upon the earth with ease and courage, they capture my heart like no other. In dance, I found really everything that matters. My spirituality, my soul, my art. Love had a voice through dance, through dancing. I created a space for dancing to breathe, and SEAD was a consequence of my heart choosing love 3 times.